Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing? Well, we're just leaving the Stovepipe Wells area and also the Mesquite Flat Dunes area. Boy, that was sure pretty there. Really neat. Now we're at about even sea level. That's what that sign says right there. And we are dropping down. This is the part of the valley where you go below sea level. And we are dropping down. And you can sure feel the dryness in the air. It's still fairly early in the morning and it's heating up. I bet it's got to be above 75 now. But look, we're at the valley floor. This is down there. Okay, right up the road here, we're going to stop. There's a national site, historic site, I guess I should call it. Alright, we're here. This is called the Harmony Borax Mine. And they used to mine borax here. And actually this is where the term 20 mule team borax came from. There it is up on the hill. Boy, all these places, they got great parking. I'm going to get parked and I'll be back. Well, this is cool. We're at about 200 foot below sea level. White gold, borax. Alright, let's hike up there and see what we can find. There's the wagons. That must be the mine there where they processed it. Pretty cool. All kinds of storyboards. Living in harmony. Could you imagine? I mean, the air is so dry and it's really quiet here too. Check out the old wagons. Look at the water barrels on them. Those are supposed to be original according to all the information here. Wow. And that's where they processed the borax. This was operational in the late 1800s. I'll find links for all this stuff and put it down in the description. And there we go. There's a picture of the 20 mule team with that wagon right here. I'll be darned. It's amazing they could refine it here. I mean, where'd they get the water from? I mean, there is nothing out here. They must have had a way. My goodness. Hey, I'm standing up on this little hill looking down, but I bet right here I'm still 150 foot below sea level. Down there it's 200. Look at the mountains. Look how pretty those things are out there. What a neat place. Okay, look at that. That's how they process the borax. These are some kind of big tanks. It's so dry in here with no humidity. I bet that metal will be good for 500 years. There's a little plaque who donated all the effort here to restore this stuff. But it's still on the ground. There's the old, looks like a steam thing. I don't know. Pretty cool. Look how clear everything is. Alrighty, well, time to get back on the road, hike back down there, and we're going to head into a little town just right down the road here. Alrighty, back on the road. In case you're wondering, I have a map that I picked up yesterday back at the visitor center that shows me all these sites, where to stop. And I can only stop where you can get in with a trailer. Not all of them you can pull a trailer into, so I'm kind of limited. Okay, this place is called Furnace Creek, I guess California. Yeah, Furnace. It's 190 foot below sea level, and this is the heart of Death Valley here. There's a post office here. I'm gonna pull in this gas station and fill up, but we'll go check it out. There's a big visitor center here too. The people back at Paramount Resort was telling me this is the best visitor center here. Furnace Creek. Boy, they got that name right. Look at that tree. Isn't that cool? Look at that thing. My God. All warped out of shape. Alright, here's the official temperature thermometer. And see on the pole there it says 190 feet below sea level. Right there. Goodness gravy. Alright, let's go in and check her out. See what this one's like. Big 3D layout. This is kind of like the other one at the other end of the park that I stopped at. And they got displays. Mountain goats, or whatever they are. And a lot of storyboards. This is cool. A lot of man, the history here is just phenomenal. Neat little stop. They got all kinds of information here. It's all free. There's no fees or nothing to get in here. So, well, it's time to get back on the road. The journey does continue. We're going to keep on marching. Hey, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day, and don't forget to travel safe. Talk to you soon.